Today we are again proud to be the first one to bring the flagship MediaTek 5G processor, the Dimensity 1200 5G to India with the Realme X7 Max 5G. Now let's check it out. Let's begin with its impressive performance first. Realme believes that the next-gen flagship processors should feature new processes, new architecture and new 5G technology. Only when these conditions are met, one can deliver cutting-edge performance. The Dimensity 1200 exactly represents impressive progress in all three of these aspects. TSMC's 6nm next-gen process lays a strong foundation for enhanced performance and lowers power consumption. Its 1 + 3 + 4 octa-core architecture combines one A78 ultra-large core, 3 A78 large cores, and 4 low-power cores. In regards to 5G technology, the Dimensity 1200 provides a far advanced dual 5G experience. Well, talking about storage, there's another boost for a fantastic user experience. The Dimensity 1200 now supports dual-channel UFS 3.1. Besides, it also supports Wi-Fi 6, providing a high-speed Wi-Fi network connection for you. Let's quickly review the X7 Max 5G's performance features. The phone includes the Dimensity 1200 flagship processor, which features a perfect balance between power consumption and performance, and advanced architecture capable of supporting high-end games with high frame rates. The X7 Max 5G offers a complete and evolved 5G experience that will remain cutting-edge for at least 3 years, along with ultra-high-speed UFS 3.1 support for full acceleration. Inspired by the gorgeous planetary and scintillating colors of the universe, we've designed the stylish Asteroid Black and Mercury Silver models through the unique craftsmanship. With the X7 Max 5G, our designers also sought inspiration from the dazzling colors of the outer space and designed a Milky Way variant. Moving on to the display, the X7 Max 5G features a 6.43-inch 120Hz Samsung Super AMOLED display that is more than capable of providing the high responsiveness required by even hardcore gamers. With an ultra-high refresh rate of 120Hz and a touch sampling rate of 360Hz, the display provides a precision at an esports level. After painstaking effort, the team came up with a near-perfect design featuring a 4500 mAh large battery and 50-watt super dart charge in an ultra-thin body weighing less than 180 grams. Next, let's take a look at its thermal management capabilities. Besides its strong performance, the Realme X7 Max 5G also features a next-generation 3D stainless steel vapor cooling system to dissipate heat, and was capable of reducing CPU core temperatures by up to 15 degrees Celsius. The Realme X7 Max 5G features the 64-megapixel ultra-high-definition triple camera configuration. Realme has always positioned itself with the advantages of the high-performing cameras. The primary camera is a Sony IMX6A2, equipped with a 1/1.7-inch flagship sensor. IMX6A2 delivers advanced performance right out of the box. The camera is capable of shooting 64-megapixel ultra-high-definition photos at print quality. The Realme X7 Max 16-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera comes with rich frontal selfie functionality and AI passport photo, which saves you a trip to the professional studio. We made sure to make no compromises on the Realme X7 Max's 64-megapixel camera. It provides high-quality shots and a wealth of options to give the users a flagship experience. In terms of audio, the X7 Max 5G features Dolby Atmos dual speakers and high-res audio, which in addition to high volume provide advanced surround sound and can recognize positioning to deliver a truly immersive audio experience. Also, surprise surprise, we have kept the 3.5mm audio jack with low latency and low interference. Besides, the X7 Max 5G also comes with the latest Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11 out of the box. To finish things off, let's take a look at the highlights of the flagship Realme X7 Max 5G. The Realme X7 Max 5G features the flagship Dimensity 1200 processor created with a cutting-edge 6nm process for unparalleled performance. A trend-setting design with jaw-dropping innovations in both looks and ergonomics. Powerful charge and capacity delivered by 50-watt super dart charge on a 4500 mAh large battery. And lastly, a Sony 64 megapixel triple camera setup for breathtaking night shots. And that's the all-new Realme X7 Max 5G.
The X7 Max 5G is available in two variants, 8GB plus 128GB, priced at only 26,999, and 12GB 256GB priced at only Rs 29,999. First sale starts 4th of June, and the Realme X7 Max 5G will be available on realme.com, flipkart.com and stores near you from 12 noon onward.